students, in last week we discussed about interacting with windows. Now today we will discuss about few components of dialog box. First one is a text box. What is a text box? A text box, also known as text field or text entry box, means here entry box. It is a control element of a graphical user interface. Graphical user interface means GUI, and this is a long form of a graphical user interface. Okay. For example, text box that is often used for a name, address. Okay. See here. For example, name. This is a label and this is the front of a text box. Text box means here name. Here enter the name. What is your name? So write here. For example, XYZ. Okay. Then address. This is a label and this is the front of a text box. Here type of a your address. Write your address. Okay. For example, PQR. That is the text box. Okay. Next one is a list box. List box. List box also is a graphical control element that allows the user to select one or more values. Okay, this is a list box and user select one or more values. Okay, means for example here today's period, and this is a list box, and in this list box first computer, maths, Marathi. Okay, and this is here arrow button. Okay, so you select one or more values. First one select computer, maths. Okay, this is a select one or more values in list box. Okay, next is a drop down list box. It is also known as drop down menu, also known as drop down menu. Okay, it is control element and it allows the user to choose one value from a list. Only one value select. Okay. For example, here see here state. Okay, in state Maharashtra, I am writing short. Okay, Maharashtra, then US, Andhra Pradesh and Bihar. Okay, but our state is Maharashtra. So select only one value. So select only one state, Maharashtra. Okay. Now button. Button looks like a small rounded corner rectangle that has its little written on it. This is a save button, but here different buttons are available. Here open, cancel, OK. Is similar to rounded corner. Okay, that is the button is simply. Okay. Next one is a checks box. Checks box. Checks box is also a graphical user interface. Okay. In checks box only one value select. In checks box only one value select. Okay, not a multiple values selected. Okay, here for example the user may have to answer yes or not, yes or not. Here check, your answer is correct, so check. Answer is not correct, so check. Okay, so here for here question. What is the question? Text box is a graphical user interface. Okay, here button check, here yes and here no. So what is the answer? Yes. So I click on yes. Okay, that is the check box. Next is a radio button. What is the radio button? In radio button are used when there is a list of 2 or more options. There is a list of 2 or more options, but user must select one choice. Here, user must select one choice. For example, gender. Okay, here 2 radio buttons. Okay, here male and here female. I am is a female, so I am click on this radio button. Okay, that is the radio button. Radio button in user must select one choice, only one choice. Okay, that is the radio button. Next is a alter box. Alter box given warning messages. Alter box given warning messages and few action buttons here. Save, don't save, cancel. Okay, save, don't save and cancel. Alter box given warning messages and few action button. This is a button, save, don't save, cancel. Do you want to save changes? So if you want to yes, to save. If you want don't save, to click on don't save. If you want to cancel, then click on the cancel. Okay, and last is a spinner. Last is a spinner. What is a spinner? Spinner is a control element. Okay, control element. It is a text box. This is a 1, 2, 3. This is a text boxes. By either click on the up or down arrows. Okay, see here. Month, year and another date. Here January. If you want February to, click the down menu here. Down menu. If you want year, next 2008. If you want to next year, then here click on down menu. Then another date if you want, then select here. If you want to up, but then click on the here up menu. This is a up menus and this is a down menus. This is a up arrow and this is a down arrow. Okay, that is the spinner. Okay, if any doubts to ask me. Okay.